Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to register and place a VPS order directly from the SocialVPS client area. Let's get started. First, log into your account through the client area at https://socialvps.net/client/client area.php or through the client area menu on the SocialVPS.net website. Once you're logged in, go to the Services menu and click Order New Service or Place a New Order. Next, choose the VPS package you want to order. For example, let's select Classic Standard. On the Choose Billing Cycle section, select the rental duration you prefer. For example, monthly. On the Configure Server page, enter your desired host name. Then, under Configurable Options, choose your preferred operating system and server location. For example, Asia, Indonesia. Click Continue. On the Review and Checkout page, leave the promotional code field blank if you don't have one. Then click Checkout to proceed with your order. On the Checkout page, choose your payment method, for example, Bank BCA. Check the box. I have read and agree to the terms of service. Then click Complete Order. After completing your order, you'll receive an invoice by email. Please follow the instructions in the invoice to complete your payment. That's it. Now you know how to register and order a VPS from the SocialVPS client area. Good luck and happy hosting! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you in the next video.